Well, welcome back, everyone. Patrick here. For your first quick tip, plan and organize your projects. Jira is a great project management tool that helps project teams with maximizing productivity. Before you start on a project, it's important to manage project settings and create a project board with a backlog that we will be doing here later in the course. You're going to plan out the tasks, set up task statuses, assign them to appropriate stakeholders, and set deadlines. When I was a project manager, every morning I do a 15-minute stand-up where we go through any of the tasks that one of the members of the team might be having problems with. If they have any impediments, if they had anything that was stopping them from moving forward, then other people on the team could help out with that. These Jira tips will help to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the project is completed on time. Great. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.